very first thing that I do when I get up in the morning is ASEA. I gotta start the day every day with mitochondrial support. So, the company recommends that we do 2 ounces twice a day. So, in the beginning of the day, I take 2 ounces at least. And for most months, I actually do 2 ounces in the morning twice, and then 2 ounces twice in the afternoon. But what ASEA does is it optimizes utilization of all antioxidants and nutrients that we take in throughout the day. From the age of 18 on, they say our mitochondrial energy or ATP production decreases. So in light of trying to reverse aging, I double the recommended amount quite often and go with 4 ounces in the morning, 4 ounces later in the evening. Sometimes spreading it out throughout the day. Here we go. Actually, I put this in my mouth for a little while and swoosh it around so that it goes through the salivary system. In your mouth like that, it does get into the blood, works on the blood. This is my theory. Everything I do is just a theory. So by holding that in my mouth for a little while, it has a chance to absorb more completely, I believe. And this is the first thing I do in the morning, so there's nothing in my system that's going to conflict with it, you know, as far as anything that I have eaten or drank or anything. This is the very first thing that I do every morning. And I take the residual, because there's going to be a few drops in there. I put on the back of my hands. Now, another thing that I do is I got this spray bottle. So this thing's like a little power sprayer. I love this thing. One of the reasons that I love it is that it doesn't have any metal parts that I'm aware of as far as the mechanics of it. So here they are. It's all just plastic. That way it doesn't interfere with the ASEA, because we don't want that to be affected by metal. So I pour some in there, and that can go a long, long ways. The amount I put in there. I screw this in. And give it about 20 pumps. Or whatever it takes to get, I can tell by the back pressure about where it should be. Now here's what I do. Most people aren't going to want to do this. Most people would probably take an eyedropper, use the eyedropper in the cup, grab some of the fluid and then drop it in their eyes. I make it kind of like a game, because I'm always into this mental control stuff. You know, it's like, I don't know, it gives you kind of a military grade perspective on this here. So what I want to do is hit this. Actually, I'm going to do it on my hair first. So I just give it a little squirt. Get my hair. Later on, you'll see how I get synergy with this for the face and everything. So after sleeping, you know, your hair is going to be all goofy anyway. So this kind of smooths it out. And I rub the residual on my arms. Now, for my face, I want to keep my eyes open and squirt it right in my face. So I look at my finger and try to focus on it. I'm still going to blink. It's a natural reflex. So I give it a little bit there, and I'm ready to start the day.